Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 9 chapter 8. Follow the pictures. A diseased kidney or damaged kidney, taking dialysis after damaged the kidney. That means today's topic is diseases and treatment of kidney. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about kidney stone, dialysis and kidney transplantation. Kidney stone. What is kidney stone? Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside our kidney. Or we may say, small stone-like substances produced by the kidney is known as kidney stone. Symptoms of kidney stone. Burning sensation when urination, problems in urination, waterlogged into patient's body, bleeding with urine, urination reduced or totally stopped. Among these, some other symptoms also may shown. A very dull and steady pain in the lower back and fever starts with shaking. Causes of kidney stone. Obesity, that means overweight. Infection in kidney. Insufficient water, that means taking insufficient water. Food habit, that means taking much more rich food, that means protein and fat enriched food instead of fresh vegetables and fruits. Dehydration. These are the causes of kidney stone. Treatment of kidney stone. Number 1, ureteroscopy. Number 2, ultrasonic lithotripsy. Number 3, surgical operation. Kidney failure. Causes of kidney failure. Number 1, nephritis. Number 2, diabetes. Number 3, hypertension, that means high blood pressure. Number 4, kidney stone. Number 5, diarrhea. Number 6, excessive blood loss. Number 7, side effects of some medicines, especially taking painkiller. Dialysis. Actually, when our kidney totally damaged, we have to take dialysis or kidney transplantation. When the kidney are badly damaged or inactive, then the blood can be filtered by a scientific method called dialysis. Generally, dialysis is done by a dialysis machine One end of this dialysis tube of the dialysis machine is led to the artery of the patient's wrist. Follow the picture. Artery of the patient wrist. And another end is led to the vein of the same wrist. This is artery connection and this is vein connection. Blood from the artery passes into the dialysis tube. Blood from the artery passes into the dialysis tube and finally entered into the dialysis machine or dialyzer. The wall of the dialysis tube is partially semi-permeable, so nitrogenous wastage, that means urea, uric acid, ketamine and other harmful substances are removed. Harmful substances, especially nitrogenous wastage, filtered here and by the other tube entered into this bottle. On the other hand, fresh or pure dialysis fluid entered into the dialyzer, which act as plasma of blood. After purifying the blood, the fresh blood, that means nitrogenous wastage less blood, again entered into the other tube of dialysis machine and finally by the help of this tube entered into the patient body by the connection of vein. But this process is very expensive and time consuming. Kidney transplantation. When the kidneys become damaged or inactive, they can be replaced by a healthy kidney of a healthy person. This is called kidney transplantation. Kidney replacement can be done in two ways: a kidney taken from the close relatives or from a dead person, of course posthumous, that means moronottor kidney দান. Close relatives mean the patient father, mother, siblings, uncle, aunt, etc. A dead person would be a person who is brain dead but the organs are kept alive artificially. Otherwise the kidney or any other organ will damaged. We can't use it or donate it the other person. Donation of posthumous kidney is a good service of mankind. Follow the picture. This is transplant kidney or transplanted kidney, which is set up by the help of surgery and connect it with the blood vessels as well as urinary bladder. For your kind information, only one kidney is enough for a person for his or her survival, because at a time both kidney don't take part in its function. One will take, another will perform its activities. So kidney failure should be treated by transplanting one kidney. Before transplantation, matching blood group and tissue is necessary. The probability of matching of kidney tissue and blood group is higher with the patient's father, mother, siblings and close relatives. There is a normal thinking that we have to take only 2 liter of water per day but nowadays research told that taking of water depend on the person's sex, age, nature of job, types of physical illness and weather. Excessive water always not good for health. Water should be taken only to fulfill thirst. Precaution. Many of us drink saline while sweating in hot weather, even if we are not suffering from diarrhea or vomiting. If we are tired or even without any reason, this is not right. Especially in case of elderly people, it may bring danger to their health. We know oral saline or oral saline is useful for our body, especially when we suffering from diarrhea, but always it is not helpful for our body. If we take unnecessary, it may harm for our body. Measure to keep the urinary tract healthy. Number 1, have to careful about tonsillitis and scabies in children. Have to control of high blood pressure and diabetes. Have to take immediate treatment for diarrhea and blood loss. Have to avoid smoking and pain relieving medicine. Have to drink adequate amount of water. Maintain social distance. Adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.